Hello, Australia. I'm so looking forward to be back with all of you in March 2025. Looking forward to sharing with you my brand new revamped workshop that is about sensory processing, but how to build effective executive functioning skills in students. It's a 2 day workshop. The first day is about three different skill sets from planning and organization to attention and working memory skills to emotional regulation. And then the second day, we're going to be covering the whole sensory processing hierarchy, what to use for assessment, what to use for intervention, and how those same pieces for executive also impacts on reading, math, and written expression. So a very full and intense course, but practical, pragmatic, full of ideas and tips, looking at videos that we've prepared for you to see the different activities that we are doing and really giving you accommodative skills as well as remediative skills. I'm looking forward to spending this time with you and really just having some good discussions. And hearing your accent again is always a pleasure. So I'm looking forward to just being there. I hope to see all of you back there. Take care.